right, Shai, we're gonna make a smoothie. All right.
All right.
Put your banana.
And I see that. And I see after more.
Should we add one more strawberry?
No, more milk.
We need to add milk?
Yes.
Okay, should we add one more strawberry?
Yeah.
Okay.
After that.
All right.
Right. Put the packer.
All right.
Let's go.
That's perfect for me. All right, so Mommy's just gonna add a pinch of chia seed.
Hi, Jason.
Alright.
Would you
Add 1 date
think?
to the smoothie, okay?
Okay. Give it back. My chair. Yes, Mom. Get down, please. Thank you so much. Okay.
Push it down. Push. Push it. Push it. All right, take it off.
Turn.
Okay.
Yummy. Tasty, my treat. Do you want some?
Do I want some? Yes, I want some. Thank you.
Okay.
All right, Shai. And here's your straw.
Thanks so much.